Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're going to take a look at two cases from Jazbon for the iPhone XS Max. So they come in a lavender colour, quite a nice colour here, and a bright red colour. So for reference, I'm filming this on the OnePlus 7 Pro just to see how well the cameras work. Let's just take my phone out of the way for a second. So taking a look at the back of the package in here, you can see they're a global brand. They're becoming a global brand and want to really grow in the industry of making cases. I've looked at other cases for other devices on the channel. It has a 12-month warranty, which is really helpful. They have a 24/7 contact service for any issues, and we'll try to get back to you within 24 hours, which is really good. As these are silicone cases here, they are applying environmentally friendly materials and sourcing them. They are worried about where their materials are coming from. I'm really pleased to see that. So along the top, there's a tiny bit of tape that you just need to cut through. Very little bit there. So I chose a lavender colour here as I wanted a little bit of a different colour to showcase. So also I got the red colour as I like red, as I support Man United here. Let's just pull that out. So whatever I get in this one is going to be exactly the same in the red one. These cases are available from Amazon UK, and the link will be in the description. Here in the UK, they're going to cost you $12.99. And that's quite a good price. It's a very competitive price. As you know, there's loads of different cases on the market. So you've got screen protector accessory here. So you've got happy, not happy. So you can let them know if there's any issues there, and that will have contact information inside here and QR codes that you can use. Very helpful. And you've got Jazbon. I think this is just going to be a bit of information about adding your screen protector, as it does come with a free glass screen protector on here. So we can add that onto our device. We want to make it more secure, and I think we will do that. So here is the silicone cover itself. It is a lavender color, which looks really nice. And as it is a silicone material, it can easily wipe off anything. If you spill anything on here, it can easily be wiped off. I do recommend that you do remove your device. Inside, you'll see a lined microfiber actual cloth inside here, which will protect your device. And you also have some branding here. And as you can see, it bends all the way around the sides as well. There's no sharp edges. So taking our device, so first of all, top two corners in first of all, then bottom two. Right, so there we go, that's now fit into our device. And as you can see, there's a bit of a ridge there. So when you place it down, it means the actual case is touching the table, not the device, which is really good. It will protect that screen. So the cutouts look precise as well. So our camera cutout is in the precise way. And we have our power button. Yep, that works. That's really good. And then if I just swipe up here, go home. Yep, volume controls, really good. And then you've got a cutout here for your toggle switch, which is, as it's quite a thick case, you can just feel it there. You can just get fingernail in to use, which is fine. But otherwise, really good. The cutouts are in the precise order down here at the bottom. It seems to be really good. There are a whole range of different colors on the Amazon UK link that will be in the description, so you can go and choose which ones that you want that best suits you. The offer for the iPhone 10 or the XS Max, it's up to you which ones you want. Also, they're made of high quality materials, it seems that way. It does add a little bit more thickness though to your device and a little bit more weight, so please bear that in mind. And what it does is it offers a powerful, defensive, durable 3-layer construction. So if it does take a knock, a bump or a fall, and they said they have tested it from 2 meters, which is really good. Hopefully it should deflect through the case instead of deflecting through your phone and potentially damaging your phone. Also, this case says it supports wireless charging. So I'm going to grab my wireless charger and we're going to test that out now. So if I simply put my phone down on here, there we go, it charges it up and it is now ready to use. And that's a really good feature to have here. So the red case will look exactly the same, but we're going to take that out now and take a look at that and see how that looks. So the red case is going to have everything that you've seen in the lavender case here, but we'll just pull that out. And what we're going to do while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you different shots of the case in different angles and actually on the device. So again, the case is silicone in cover. You have a microfiber lining all the way around your case, exactly the same, but let's put it on our phone just to make sure the cutouts are in the precise order yet again. So top two corners going first, then the bottom two corners. There we go. And again, let's have a look at the cutouts. The camera seems to be in the right position. Power button is in the right position as well. Cutouts at the bottom are correct. Right, our volume controls. Yes, volume controls are correct as well. And again, the wireless charging will work as I've shown you. So a massive thank you to Jazbon for sending out 2 cases for the iPhone XS Max and all of the other cases they have sent out for my other devices, which you'll see live on the channel now. If you have any questions or any queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching, and remember to subscribe to stay updated with all of my latest videos here from Tech Talk. From me, Ricky, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.